Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you have a child that doesn't want to take the time to tie their shoes like mine, I found the perfect solution for you. So we found these Tieless elastic shoelaces from RJ Sport, and we're really happy with them. Now when these show up, what you want to do is, of course, lace the shoe, but you actually trim these so that the fit is right for your child. I would say they're probably long enough even for an adult shoe, but they come with 4 different clips, and you slide this round clip on first. This is like a tension bracket. And then before you trim them, make sure you have enough shoelace so your child has room to loosen the string so they can easily slide their foot in their shoe. Once you trim them, then there's a bottom clip that goes on that holds everything together. Once they're all ready to go, it's just a matter of your child pushing this little bracket on the top, loosening the lace, sliding their foot in, and then tightening them. So my son likes them because he can get his shoes on quickly, and he only has to tighten them once throughout the day. And I love them because he's not stepping on his shoelaces and fraying the ends and completely ruining them. So for us, it's a win-win. So if you also have a child that doesn't like to take time out of their day to tie their shoes, you're gonna love them just like we do. And that's our point of view.